Hey, what's up guys? Ding from Dingsworkshop here. Recently, Banggood.com sent me this product for me to try it out. It is a tool used to make grooves and dados. So today I'm going to talk about the performance and the build quality of this tool and whether or not it is worth buying. The shipping time for this package was extremely fast. It was shipped out on September 25th and arrived at my house on September 29th. I think this was because the package was shipped out from Banggood's US warehouse. So if you're buying this product and you want it faster, make sure you select to ship from the US warehouse. It's pretty simply packaged, just plastic wrapper. There are no company logo, and inside is just a cardboard box. Inside is pretty well packaged, and then there's another layer of plastic wrapper, and then you have the tool inside. So in terms of build quality, this tool is built very well. It feels super solid and very smooth to operate. And the tool also comes with a very nice box. Okay, so to get started, you want to make sure the golden piece is pushed all the way to the left and then locked together using this knob. Between the golden piece and the gray piece, there's no movement. Only the red piece is movable. So this is how I get the curve of my saw blade. First, I move my fence right next to the saw blade. And then I approach the tool to the saw blade to get my blade curve. And once I have that, just lock it in place using this knob here. And now the red piece is locked in place. So next step is to get the thickness of the material in order to measure the dado or the groove you are trying to make. So what you do is, you loosen up this knob over here, which makes the movement between the gray and the yellow possible. And then you just use this spacing to measure out the thickness of your material, like so. And once you have that, lock the knob in place. Okay, so in order to make your dado or your groove, first you want to have a stop block on a miter gauge, and then place the tool right next to the stop block. And after that, put your material right next to the tool and make your first cut. After you make your first cut, you want to flip over the tool like so. And then you make the second cut. And then everything in between, just use your table saw to clean them up. Okay, check it out. This is absolutely perfect. Now you can also use this tool to make lap joints.
Now because of the size of this tool, the largest width it can handle is 50 millimeters or a little shy of 2 inches.
Perfect. So as you can see, this tool makes perfect grooves and dados, and not only that, it has excellent build quality, feels super solid in hand. Right now, this tool retails for $25.99 on Banggood.com, and I think it's an excellent deal. So for your convenience, I'm going to leave a link in the description that takes you right to the product page of this tool. I still have one more thing, and that is I'm going to leave a coupon code in the description as a thank you gift to my viewers and my subscribers. But please note, this coupon code only works for a period of time, so please take advantage of it while you can. Hey, thanks for watching this episode of my tools review. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Ding from Ding's Workshop. See you next time.